Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Hotjar recordings and SEO behavior tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Hotjar recordings and SEO behavior tracking, start by logging into your Hotjar account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, select the site you want to track. Next, find the tracking section in the menu. Click on recordings to access the recording settings. You will see an option to enable recordings. Toggle the switch to activate the recording feature. Now, scroll down to the SEO section. Here, you will find the option for tracking behavior. Toggle the switch to enable SEO behavior tracking. Continuing, review your tracking settings to ensure they align with your goals. After adjustments, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Check your website code to ensure the Hotjar tracking script is installed correctly. If not, access your website's backend or content management system. Insert the Hotjar tracking code into the header section of your website. Once the script is properly installed, return to your Hotjar account. Next, navigate back to the recordings section to verify the setup. You should see a confirmation that recordings are now active. Wait for a brief period to allow Hotjar to start capturing behavior data. Finally, monitor your recordings and SEO behavior from the dashboard as data starts to populate. You are now set up to analyze user interactions and improve your website experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.